Open mold processing is a versatile and cost-effective method for manufacturing fiberglass items. This lecture gives a detailed breakdown of the process. Open mold manufacturing is suitable for small production runs and prototyping as it requires lower budgets for setting up the facility. Skilled workers are essential to achieve high quality and consistent production. Layup processing has been described in detail in separate lectures prepared by Composites Manufacturing Team of Technology Education and Mentoring Center for the benefit of persons who are interested in taking up fiberglass manufacturing business. Closed mold manufacturing processes of fiberglass have been described in separate lecture. The difference between open molding and closed molding is in how the resin is cured. When the resin is exposed to the atmosphere during the cure, it is referred to as open molding. Open molding is a flexible process that can accommodate large parts. It is often used in the agricultural and marine industries. Open molding, also known as hand layup or spray-up molding, is a cost-effective method for manufacturing composite products. Some products made using open molding are enlisted on the screen. Preceding slides introduce basic steps involved in open mold process for fiberglass manufacturing. Mold selection should be according to the shape of the selected product. After cleaning, release agent should be applied on the mold surface. A separate lecture showing details about the mold preparation is already available on our YouTube channel. Gel coat forms the outer surface of fiberglass product, providing a smooth, glossy finish and helps in smooth separation of the workpiece from the mold. One should wait till the gel coat is partially cured and stops flowing. Reinforcements used in composites production can be in the form of matte, roving or cloth. This choice is dictated by the product to be produced and its intended use. Layers are cut to size before being placed in the mold. Mix polyester or epoxy resin with a catalyst or hardener to initiate curing. After complete saturation of fabric or mat has been ensured, roller should be used with slight pressure for proper removal of trapped air. For thicker or stronger products, repeat the reinforcement and resin application steps to build up multiple layers. After application of each layer, removal of trapped air must be ensured. Most open mold processes cure at room temperature. Ensure that the laminate cures fully to achieve the desired mechanical properties. The curing time and cure cycle must be finalized through experimentation before starting the manufacturing process. Carefully remove the fiberglass product from the mold to avoid damage to either. Trim excess material from edges using cutting tools. After sanding, apply additional surface finishes if required. Conduct quality checks to ensure the product meets specifications. Many lectures discussing quality control procedures for glass reinforced composites have already been uploaded on TE&MC YouTube channel. Open mold manufacturing is suitable for small production setups and prototyping. It requires minimal equipment compared to closed mold methods, hence cost of production is also low. Being a labor-intensive technique of manufacturing, skills of worker matter a lot to achieve high quality and consistent production. Post-processing is usually needed to achieve high-grade surface finish of workpiece. Open molding process is used for a large size range of products that cannot be produced in more automated processes. Open molding process guarantee precise composite fabrication, ensuring an improvement in operating efficiencies, product quality, and low-emission eco-friendliness. Important web links related to technology education and mentoring center are flashed on the screen. Free guidance is available in advisory role for young entrepreneur by Technology Education and Mentoring Center.